Bakery is good. They have sandwiches. Oh, Carmel Bakery turned its heat on, sorry.
I can't. Bro, why'd you stop when you got right to the water?
Can you take a picture of me and my mom?
Yeah. Hi guys, welcome to my vlog. Say hi, Caroline, Kayla.
Hi.
We're at the beach.
Oh my god! Wanna play?
Wait, I don't want to get the towel wet.
My toes are warm. That's fine, just sit with your butt. And also, it's fine, we don't use this towel.
Oh, okay.
Oh wait, why does my leg hurt from trying? Okay guys, it's too hot. You guys are gonna have to bear with the armpit hair for now.
Oh my god.
Hey, I love it. Thank you. I appreciate it.
Wait, can't even see us. Wait, this is such a bad vlog.
Okay, level 1. Kayla.
Oh wait, no, it's because I had it upside down.
Wait, can I like burn my feet in this? I'm burning my feet.
Caroline.
That is not going on YouTube.
Caroline, Kayla.
Is this vlogging?
Yeah.
No, someone out there.
There's no dog. That shit scared me.
I think we can go in. You guys want to go in later? There's art and jewelry.
After we get Kayla food, she's gonna like die.
Am I the only one who's hungry?
Yeah.
No, I'm kind of hungry. I want a snack. Like, I want candy. Look, I should have ate breakfast before.
Say
this.
hi,
Stupid.
Caroline.
Hi.
My vlog. Look at her voluptuous butt.
Oh,
This is so cute.
it's very little town. I know. This seems like one of the sections in Disneyland would have. Yeah.
I know.
Hi. This girl's locked in. Went up like 3 toes. Oh, it's like the stairs. Wait. It's oh, Ron! Hi. Wait.
You're so awkward.
Hi, vlog. We're at Carmel Beach. No,
Wait,
guys.
it's
I'm
so
not taking a
cute.
picture.
I'm
We have to
doing
take a
this.
picture of this too. Hello? Wait, Jennifer, so wait. Can you
Yeah.
do the digi? I feel like a tourist. And it's just Carmel.
Bro, this is literally our home country or
I know, it's like
state. This is so cute.
it's an art area. Wanna go?
Yeah. Kayla. I feel like
I remember art
Yeah,
design.
make sure doing something right. That's right.
Arthur?
Sorry, he's
I like. See, I like.
Oh, that one's really pretty.
Which one?
Oh, this is Carmel.
That one's Catalina. It's really pretty because I went there before.
I just never saw
This
her.
is so
My mom
cute.
only knew her for. She came over and I could come in.
This is the Harry Potter Hogwarts Lego set. Like, I'm not saying it's Hogwarts, it's like that exact picture on the Harry Potter Hogwarts
My
Lego
mom,
set.
mother came over to America from Czechoslovakia.
Should I get him a Lego set?
And she's
Or not Lego, was it puzzle?
Wait, what the
I
heck?
think you like puzzles.
Yeah.
I've been told.
I want that.
I know I love puzzles, but therefore I feel like a lot of people, it's a hit or miss.
it was when
I hate
These are
puzzles.
so cute.
she wrote into
These are really cute. I love that bell.
yeah.
Let's go. Oh,
Wait, wait. Okay, guys, let's go. This is so cute. Yes, please. Wait, when are we gonna go back to the beach? That's cute.
I'm gonna start one. Collect marshmallows. Wait, what is a mat? Oh.
No, it is, girl.
Don't lie to me. It's okay.
You literally look so cute. I love this little tiny thing.
I have a little tiny thing.
No, this little tiny nook.
Oh.
Wait,
I'm so happy with my vase purchase.
Me too, queen.
I'm gonna hold it the entire ride. Oh yeah, your vase is really cute. I don't know. I haven't found it.